Welcome back to WALED Tech, 60 Days of Google Tips for Educators. Today we're going to look at tip number 36, which is going to be how to get your Google form or quiz responses in Google Forms into a spreadsheet. So you'll notice last time we looked at how to access your responses. In this, you will see the little Google Sheets create a spreadsheet symbol. So if you want to make these responses where you can save them, you can look at them, and especially if you're doing quizzes or something with a lot of information and you want to be able to sort through this information and make it a little more user-friendly, simply click on this and say create a new spreadsheet, and you can title it, but I would suggest leaving it the same title as the form so that you know what it belongs to, and then simply hit create. And you'll notice that Google Forms does the rest. In your Google Drive, in the same spot that your Google form is located, you now have a Google Sheet with the responses to your form. And so here you see the date and time that the form was completed. If you're collecting email addresses, it will give you that information as well. Here was the answers to the student name and the scores I gave on my rubric for each section and my comments. So all of this in a nice sheet. So if I wanted to use this to enter into a grade book, I could do this right here. I hope that helps. We'll see you next time on WALED Tech.